You rolling?
I'm rolling.
Out to the yes. Careful from behind you, the car. Hell yeah. We're doing it big. Back on another shoot today. We're going to shoot a music video for a little Rasta tune. Come on out, you already know. We're headed down to the river, the kind of classic shoot spot around here. Best place to shoot a video if you're in Totnes. And we're gonna go get cracking with the shoot a couple cool things, and basically just see how we get on. Let's go. Out to the yes. Boom. Get in the zone, precisely. Bow.
What we got going on, Jack?
Right now, I'm getting this gimbal sorted, which is actually proving to be harder than I thought it would be. I got no clue what's changed. Fucking nothing, you know what I mean? It's just not going on. Leo's getting the track down, spitting to it, getting warmed up, having a little beer, everything like that. We're basically, I would call this mode right here, the getting in the zone mode. We're getting in the zone, adjusting, and we're gonna start shooting in a second. So I found like relatively okay location here, and we're just gonna keep pushing our way up the river as we go. Get a shot here, maybe get a shot of me going backwards with the gimbal, Leo coming towards the camera. That's always a classic rap music video shot. And yeah, we're just getting adjusted, getting ready to shoot this bad boy music video.
No boat, naturally float, never sink, never soak. When you in love, both make it rumble.
Come show this, man. This is new. I'm up in my production value. This is the client right here, and he gets to see what's going down.
Pretty HD, isn't it?
Oh fuck yeah, it's not too bad.
Clear.
Yeah, this is the first take though. You know?
Yeah.
By the 5th take, you'll be fucking in the zone, bro. Literally. And by the 6th take, you'll be killing it. You know what I mean?
Easy one vibe. You know, with different style for right in the house. And then you get to the view, you have to give it humble.
Never knowing where to go, you a friend, a foe.
What's the view like up there, Luke?
It's high, man.
Yeah, you high up there, bro?
Woo.
Bro,
Wait.
You're high as shit. Stop getting high on this shoot. Yeah. The thing is, bro, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, you know what I mean? So basically, whatever ideas you got, we'll shoot them, and then whatever looks dope, we'll keep, and whatever doesn't look dope, we'll just throw away. Yeah. I got the white Air Forces, and I'm going into murky territory, people. This is a big no-no, but at the end of the day, man, you want the shot. The shot isn't gonna get itself.
That's wise words.
Yeah, man. You know me, I'm always dropping knowledge on the people. You know? The shot doesn't get itself. Tutorial of the day. We'll stand right here, and let me see if I can frame something up after you say. Do just a different pose. Instead of be stood up, that looks kind of sick when you're crouched down like that. I can't even lie.
Never knowing where to go, you a friend, a foe. I'm a good enough so either way, I don't stop this show. Deliver the best, lyrical twist.
So right here, I was just properly going through all the leaves and shit like that, so you're properly over there, but you can see you through all this shit, you know. I think that's dope for little quick ones, and I think I started doing even more. The Totnes beach is about as good as a beach that we've got around here, for sure. Get a little shot in. I'm thinking you're to the left, and I've got the birds over your shoulder to the right.
Keep it humble, always get the truth, never stumble. When you in the booth, make it rumble. Spoken to you looking rich from a note, not bad to extinguish that roach. Foul any mouth lie. Keep it truthful. When I'm in the booth, never spit. Oh shit, now I look at it. Let it.
Hell yeah. We got some good shit there. Literally. Some really nice stuff. Out to the yes. That was really nice. We got the birds over his shoulder. Everything's nicely framed. That's what you want right there. We can get it nicely framed. That's a fucking win right there if I ever seen one.
So I've been getting on that bitty witty rap, make it snap, bring it back to the real type of kind of tracks. Flick it up with the boom in the back, bring it up, pick it up, got the fume, I don't slack. Mix it up, then I gotta jig it up, make a lyric fuck, bringing spirits up.
Yeah, let's get in there. It's the woods, it's the woods. You see this big woods right here? We're about to enter it. Shoot it up. You gotta get up there. That tree will be fine, and we'll crop out your feet and everything like that, so you'll be alright.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
Yeah, you'll be good, you'll be good. Hey, commitment, 10 out of 10, man. Seriously, 2 seconds, I'm getting the wide angle on there, and we'll shoot it up. Hell to the yes, we're in the homeless environment right now, so all this is homeless people stuff right here, you know what I mean? The whole environment around here, there's a tent over there, and you know, a mattress. Show them the mattress is special. Killing it. Wide angle on, the nice big fat wide angle. Hell to the yes, 10mm. We're gonna be shooting through the trees right here, and we're gonna be shooting a nice little shot. All right, fuck to the yes, my friend. I got you through there. Sweet. Or, yeah, something like this. I'm gonna shoot this in 4K so I can crop it in.
Live a fest, lyrical twist, when with and wish, type of notes, more lyrics I wrote, don't need no boat, naturally float, never sink, never soak. So I be getting on that bitty witty rap, make it snap, bring it back to the real type of kind of tracks. Flick it up with a boom in the back, break it up, pick it up, got the fume I don't slap. Mix it up, then I gotta jig it up, make a lyric fuck, bring your spirits up. Now it's clear, the party is here, we got the gear, got the spirits and beer, so driving rear, while the drums we can steer.
That was pretty dope, man. Literally, I was able to get a little bit more depth of field with this 10mm, so I was able to kind of be focusing in on the, oh shit, careful bro. I was able to be more focusing on the leaves, then cutting the Leo, then cutting the leaves, cutting back, cutting to the leaves, cutting to the tree. Ha! Legendary. It's a little overexposed between the trees, but it's alright. Looks fucking hard still.
Yeah.
I could level out the colors as well in post. This looks pretty dope, but it's fucking, you know, a little bit when I get actually closer and you're spitting fully down, it starts looking hard as fuck. The police, the
po-po.
The police shut our shoot down. God damn it, man. I fucking hate the police always interfering with the youth. We're just trying to crack on and oh wait, it's just a fucking light. It's all good. You thought the cops were coming, but not really. It's just a little LED, man. It's actually gonna complement our shoot, not shut it down. We're gonna be all good, man. We're tucked away in the woods. I don't think the police could even find us in here, to be honest. Well, depends if they got tipped off by the right guy. If one of you guys told them, they could find us.
Keep it humble, only spit the truth, never stumble. When you in the booth, make it rumble. Keep it humble. Lyrical twist, or more than wish, type of notes, more lyrics I wrote, don't need no boat, naturally float, never sink, never soak, fuel my speech with the king in low, drop out my beaches, they pinged in rows, so I be getting on that bitty witty rap, make it snap, bring it back to the real type of kind of tracks, flick it up with a boom in the back, break it up, pick it up, got the fume I don't slap, mix it up, then I gotta jig it up, make a lyric fuck, bring your spirits up. In the booth, never spit, bullshit. Nah, I lick it, yeah. Let it kick a bit, let it kick a bit. Keep it humble. Make it rumble.
That was dope. That was definitely sick, man. Let's pull that up on the monitor. That was dope. That light adds a lot to it, to be honest. There's certain lights that look better, obviously. The red on your face, that looks fucking sick. That complements the kind of Rasta colors on your shit as well. Yeah. So that's dope. Hell yeah, let's fucking get the monitor out, man. That was probably one of the nicest shots so far, I can't lie. And it's a very simple concept as well. Hell yeah. That was dope. Very good stuff. How you feeling of your music video so far? You're the ultimate judge, my friend. Tell the camera how you're feeling.
I reckon we've got quite a lot of good shots, to be fair.
Yep, I think so too, man. Definitely. That's just in another dark place, mate. Then I'll shoot it so I can actually, because I did 4K, so I can't do any of this in slow-mo.
Levitate 'em, levitate 'em, levitate 'em, feel raps.
Easy man vibe. You know, with different style for right in the house. I dedication for them you do have to keep it humble.
Flowing through the river of mist, throwing my eyes when I sliver to this. Let it kick
kick a bit, let it kick a bit. Keep it humble. Get it on, get it on. Keep it humble. Wanna make some real tracks. Levitating, feel raps. Break it up, pick it up, with perfume I don't slap. Mix it up, then I gotta jig it up. Make it lyric fuck, bring your spirits up. Now it's clear, spirits and bass, I'm driving rare, what the drums swing can stare. Bass in my eardrum, numb cause I'm there. Smear rock but smile, peer around the towel. Got the dial with the wildfire, written piled high, never fly by any mile.
Woo! That was good, man. Oh, my back is killing me doing that one though. For real though, my back is destroyed. Hell yeah. How's that looking for you, Luke?
Yeah, man. Fucking
Awesome.
sweet.
Hell to the yes. That's nearly a shoot wrapped up right there. What are you saying?
Yeah, pretty much that.
Hell to the yes, man. Literally. Absolute blast. Fucking awesome, man. I reckon that's probably nearly it. Let's look for like one final badass shot we can fucking grab, and then I'll have a look at that. And you know, if we need anything else, we'll do it on Friday. Let's do it. Let's get it cracking, my G.
Should we do one just for the first verse and I'll put the speaker directly
Yep,
behind me?
yep.
And when we talk.
Yeah.
And then just do a few scenic shots.
Basically, we have landed on a field at precise golden hour, so gonna get a big wide of Leo on the field, and should look pretty sick because we've got quite a few close-ups. So we're gonna mix it up a bit with a big one.
To keep it humble. Hear this.
Flowing through the river of mist, throwing my eyes when I sliver to this. Never knowing where to go, you a friend, a foe. I'm a good and not so. Either way, I don't stop this show. Deliver fist, lyrical twist, with more than wish. Type of notes, more lyrics I wrote. Don't need no boat, naturally float. Never sink, never soak. Fuel my speech with the kindling low. Chop on my beaches, they pinged in rows. Copenhagen wooden rich from an oak. Not wide to extinguish that roach. Hot lyrics don't tie, they spare. No fit the dip and rip this flare, can't hit expire. Loud high, never bow by any mouth loud. Keep it truthful. When I'm in the booth, never spit. Oh shit, now I look at it. Let it kick it bit, let it kick it bit.
One more full take and we're good. Alright, hell yeah.
Take it around.
Wow.
I think Faye just died.
Yeah, it just died? Fuck it. That's a shoot right there. Bada bing, bada boom. You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Hell to the yes, my man. Good? Yeah, alright, hell to the yes. That's the shoot done and dusted, people. Thank you for joining me on another vlog. We shot up a music video. Probably, how many hours were we shooting? What? Take a guess.
3?
About 3. Yeah, good shit.
Shooting a while?
Yep, exactly. It's what's called 7 right now. We started shooting at 4. We linked up at about 4. About 2.5 hours shooting. 30 minutes to the office, getting equipment together, all that type of stuff. Hell to the yes, pleasure.
The battery dies every time there's any form of a handshake, so this is the outro. Sick video.
Hell
right.
to the yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming along and fucking shooting, Luke. We appreciate you, bro.
Always.
Peace
always.
out, guys.
In a
See you
bit.
in the next one.